This is part 6 of the 6-part series on how to write a design proposal. Let's jump right into it. Next, you need to clarify the next steps if the prospect is reading up to this point. Congrats! It's usually a really good sign that they're going to convert and sign on the dotted line. Before they do, however, they've got to get through the next steps. This last section is where you basically outline what the prospect has to do to finalize a working relationship with you. This includes payment terms, general terms, and conditions. And when your working relationship works in earnest, when deciding on the payment terms, there are a number of factors to consider. Your guiding principle being that you shouldn't shortchange yourself by asking for too little. With that said, here are the factors to consider in your estimate. The complexity and length of the project, the number of hours you expect to put in, the urgency of the project, your experience, how your portfolio looks, how many projects you've already completed. The terms and conditions can include anything from how many revisions you're offering to how freely you make yourself available to your prospect to get another round of feedback. This is entirely up to you. It's also extremely helpful to spell out in no uncertain terms when your working relationship will begin. Though your prospect might sign your proposal right after reading it, it's always a smart plan to declare that your work on the project will only begin in a few days or even weeks' time. This way, you can prepare yourself for the new project and tie up any loose ends on any current projects and clients with whom you're dealing with. In this final section, you should also include motivational persuaders, such as excitement at the reality of working with your prospect, or enthusiasm about the fact that you can't wait to solve your client's problem, and verify to them that they've made the right decision in choosing you for your design services. Such final persuaders can go a long way in pushing your prospect to convert by finally signing your proposal. After all, when you're confident in your presentation, your prospect immediately senses it, feels they've made the right choice, and then is more likely to choose you. This can set off a sort of positive reinforcement loop. That's just the right touch with which to end your design proposal. Let's talk about the project itself. The reality with writing a design proposal is that it can't take a lot of time and work. This can't be any truer than when you're still new to charging for your design work and haven't written one yet, or only have put together a handful. It's not just the actual drafting stage that can be time consuming, it's also preparatory steps, such as first meeting with your prospect, and then researching their brand to empower you to fully understand what they need. Sure, you'll be better with practice. The more design proposals you create, the easier and more efficient you'll eventually become. And don't forget about the great software and tools on the web that can help you create a proposal in just a few steps. Even so, you should look at preparing a proposal as a real commitment that will take time to do right. Not just that writing a perfect proposal can lead to a lot of work, money, and even recurring and long-term clients. While that's certainly the goal of every designer, there's more to writing a proposal than just the momentary possibilities. It's about the pride in being professional. When you sell your services as a designer, you're telling the world that you're a professional and deserve to make good money for your expertise and work. The more you hone your skills at proposal writing, the more professional you'll make yourself look, and the more you'll eventually lead bigger and better design clients, which can make your portfolio truly stand out. That's the 6-part series on how to write the best design proposal you can write. If you got value from this series, then consider subscribing and smashing that like button. Don't forget, if you can dream it, BDesign can help you design it. So keep on dreaming. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.